We'll guide you through how to get help with Dropbox. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Dropbox.com. Once you're on the Dropbox homepage, you'll need to sign into your account by clicking the Sign In button at the top right corner. Enter your credentials and press Sign In. After logging in, look towards the top right corner again and click on your profile picture or initials, which will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Help Center. This will take you to a dedicated page full of resources and articles covering various topics. If you can't find what you're looking for in the articles, scroll down to the bottom of the Help Center page where you will find the Contact Us option. Click on it, and you'll be given several ways to reach out for support. You can choose to chat with a virtual assistant, which is quick for common queries, or if you prefer speaking directly to a human, you can select Email Support. Follow the prompts to describe your issue and submit your request. If you're a Dropbox Pro or business user, you might also see an option for phone support, which can be faster for urgent issues. Remember to be as detailed as possible when describing your problem to get the best assistance. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.